What's up? I'm Shantae D, and today we will be talking about 6 healthy habits that will change your life today. Let's get into it. I want to make sure that you guys understand that this may be a semi-serious kind of video. I want to be the big sister that you need to get on the right track with your weight loss goal. I'm going to be the big sister to give you that tough love that you need, so don't take it personally. The first habit that I want to talk about that you need to change, that you need to get into the habit of doing, is choosing frozen fruits and vegetables. Let's get into the fact that they last you a long time. Things that are frozen, you can literally keep that for like 6 to 12 months in your freezer. It literally does not go bad until you thaw it out and use it, and you want to, you know what I'm saying, if you use it properly, like right away, then bam, you got, you know, a great meal or a great smoothie, whatever you want to do. You can chew them. Even my kids love frozen fruit. They will eat them frozen, okay? They will pop them right in their mouths and keep going. There's no shame in their game when it comes to that. But also they have less chemicals and less pesticides. It's hard to find fruits that have just come right out of the ground, fresh, never been sprayed with any kind of pesticides or chemicals. All of them are generally sprayed with some kind of pesticides or chemicals, even organic ones. The organic ones are just sprayed a little less and are, you know, and some may not be GMO, which is genetically modified. They take them and they flash freeze them right away and throw them in a bag and then give it to you after they wash them, of course. But they throw them in the bag and they seal them up. They don't have to spray extra things onto them to make them look pretty in the store so that you want to buy them, so that they last longer. That's what they do. So you want to stay away from that kind of stuff. If you can stay away from fresh, definitely try to do that and get frozen. My next tip: buy organic or natural when at all possible. Organic is not always expensive. Like sometimes I go into the store and the organic side is usually the same price as the regular side. So you like, well, why wouldn't I get something that has less chemicals, less pesticides on it, and it costs the same price? I'm going to buy them anyway, so just buy the organic one, and you can save the amount of chemicals that you put in your body when you do that. Especially with the surging inflation and the prices of everything going up. I mean, if you're gonna pay $4.99 for a pack of strawberries, why not pay $4.99 for the organic? Habit number 3, read your labels and ingredients. Always look at that label. Turn that food around. Don't just look at that brand name and think, oh, I've seen that on TV, let me grab that. You know, I remember that, I know that brand, so let me just grab that. You know, but just because it's a trusted brand all over the place that you see every day. No, turn that brand around, bro. Turn that can around, turn that package around, whatever, and read those ingredients. Yes, you want to look at that label, the nutritional label, and see how much sodium is in something, how many calories and how much sugar, but don't forget the ingredients. Don't neglect looking at the ingredients, because there are some chemicals in a lot of these snacks and a lot of these like boxed foods that are not healthy for us, that is not for us. They put that stuff in there like to destroy the inside of your body. Like, that's just the truth. That's just the real. Like, you don't really need to eat that stuff. They just put all those chemicals in there because they want you to keep buying and buying and buying and buying. They want you to waste your money. They are not here for you. They are like, you have to do your own due diligence to see what is healthy for you and what's not healthy. They're not going to just hold your hand while you walk through the grocery store and be like, oh, okay, that's healthy, that's not healthy, buy that, don't buy that. They're not going to do that. So it's up to you to take control of your own health and your own body and be like, you know what, I'm going to read the ingredients. If I don't want to put that ingredient in my body, I'm not going to do so. So make sure that you start getting into the habit of looking at the ingredients, reading the ingredients. If you can't pronounce something or you don't know what something is or means, type that stuff into Google. Google is your best friend. Type it into Google, read what that, you know, chemical is, what are natural flavors, what includes, you know, what's considered a natural flavor, like what's included in that. Dig deeper, do all your research. What are monosodium, you know, glutamate or whatever the case may be. You know, just read the ingredients. Not all of those ingredients are healthy for your body. They even are carcinogens, which causes the big C. I'm not going to say not the panorama that's been going on, but the other big C. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say it because I don't want them to take my video down or mute my video or whatever, but you know what I'm talking about. They have chemicals in some of these foods that causes so many diseases. You want to stop putting that stuff in your body, not only for weight loss, but for your health too. You should do a little experiment. Go to your cabinet right now, pick out your favorite snack. I want you to turn it around. I want you to look at that label, read those ingredients. Tell me what those ingredients say in your favorite snack. Leave in the comment down below a word from those ingredients that you didn't even recognize. If it is a chemical that does not sit well with you, when you get that result back, I want you to take that snack. I want you to have the willpower to take that snack and throw that crap in the trash, bro. You don't need that. Like, that's not good for your body. It's not good for your health. You got to stick around for your kids, your husband, your mama, your daddy, whoever. Don't just listen to me. Do your due diligence on your own. Do your own research. Habit number 4, juices and soft drinks. Y'all seen my other videos where I was addicted to that tea, honey. That tea had me in a chokehold, okay? I ain't gonna lie to you. But at the same time, I recognized what was in those ingredients, and I woke up and I was just like, nah, I ain't finna do this no more. I threw that crap in the trash and I stopped buying it. My kids was telling me like, Mom, why is you buying this? Look at this stuff. And I actually feel better, like I feel lighter because my body is ridding itself of all the chemicals that was in that stuff. Like, bro, I threw that stuff away. Like, it's not even worth it. Your juices and your soft drinks, they have labels on them too with ingredients. I want you to turn those around and look at those as well, because some of the juices and the soft drinks that you drink, especially pop, soda, whatever you guys want to call it, that stuff is riddled with chemicals. That stuff is not good for you. It's not good for you, bro. You have to learn how to take that stuff and just throw it in the garbage or stop buying it. Also, if you want a alternative, I'm going back to the organic. They have organic juices out there in glass jars. Do not get that stuff in that plastic bottle, hun. Do not get that stuff in that plastic bottle. The plastic bottle puts microplastics in your body. Every time you drink or you eat something from plastic, like, leave that stuff alone. It is not good for you. I buy organic apple juice that comes from Whole Foods, okay? It literally says unfiltered pasteurized apple juice. That's the only thing in it. There's no added sugars. There's no added preservatives. There's no high fructose corn syrup. There's none of that stuff in there, bro. It is literally just unfiltered pasteurized apples. That's it. Not only do you check for the ingredients, but you make sure that it is in a glass jar or a glass bottle before you decide to buy it and bring it home. Next thing is get your water intake up. I mean, we've been talking about this for the longest. I don't even know how long. Get your water intake up. You want to make sure that you're drinking all of your water. You like a gallon of water a day. So make sure, because once you drink a whole lot of water, it keeps you from being hungry unnecessarily. You know what I mean? It keeps you from being dehydrated. So you want to make sure that you're getting your water intake in because it is important. Healthy habit number 5 is I want you guys to stop thinking of organic as so expensive. Like, come on now, we got to get up out of there. First of all, inflation is expensive. You know what I'm saying? At this point, like, everything having to deal with inflation is expensive. Some of the prices are the same as the regular. I think they really just playing a game with us. Like, we're going to see which one they choose. Like, are they going to choose the healthier version, or are they going to choose, you know what I'm saying, the not so healthier version? That's what they like to do. Like, they like to play games with us. It's up to us to take control of our lives and be like, you know what, now I'm going to go with this healthy version. I'm going to get that. It's sad and it's crazy, but it's the truth. And we just all need to just start taking control of our own bodies and our own lives. Like, nobody's going to do this for us. We got one life to live. It's our body. Like, we have to do what we have to do for us. Just get out of that mindset. Organic is not so expensive. Start thinking like organic is healthier for my body. Organic is what my body needs. Organic has less chemicals, so I'm G'ing with that. You know, start thinking positively towards organic instead of negatively. If you could spend $5 on a pack of strawberries with chemicals on them that they done sprayed down, and they still look like trash though. They still look like trash when they sitting there. So it's like, what are y'all really doing to these strawberries? You know what I'm saying? versus getting organic where they look good, they look fresh. Everybody keeps saying like they go bad fast. There's a reason why they go bad fast. Since they're not supposed to last, you know what I'm saying, for months and months and months if you buying fresh ones. If you buying fresh ones, they supposed to last you a few days. You eat the strawberries and you know what I'm saying, you going about your business. If you grow strawberries in your garden, they're not going to last for weeks on end. Like, how long do you expect them to last? So that's the reason why I also suggested getting frozen, because frozen will last you a long time and it don't take that long to thaw out at all, and they perfect for smoothies and everything. My kids, I got some frozen mangoes and my kids ate them up last night. I had to go to the store and get some more this morning. So that's what I'm saying, like frozen is your best bet. It's the key to life, for real. The sixth habit that I want you guys to get into is try finding a Whole Foods market. If you can't get to Whole Foods, try and find a farmer's market. Try to find local markets that will help you get organic or just the freshest fruit and veggies possible. Because first of all, we want to support our local farmers because they hurting in this industry just like we are. You know what I'm saying? So they're hurting in this economy, I'm sorry, just like we are. So if we are going to go to the store and buy our little fruits and vegetables, we at least want to go to a farmer's market. And let me tell y'all, some farmer's markets do accept food stamps. Since the pandemic started, like, they have been accepting food stamps like crazy everywhere. Let me tell y'all, I am waiting on my farmers market to open. For some reason in my city they don't open until May, which is like legit weird, but I'm waiting on my farmers markets to go, and they are offering in my city $25 on top of the $25 that you spend. So if I spend $25 on fruits and veggies at the farmers market, they're gonna give me an extra $25 to spend on my fruits and veggies. Like, who don't want a free $25 worth of fruits and veggies? So that's $50 worth of fruits and veggies that your family could be eating, you know, and it didn't cost you nothing but $25. So you want to make sure that you checking out your city websites to see if they have the farmers market information on there, because they just might be able to accept EBT in your city. All of these tips that I'm giving you, I am using myself. Don't think for one second that I am just, you know, the big sister that tells you what to do and not doing it herself. No, I am doing these. I am utilizing these. These are taken from my own experiences. So you will be seeing more videos. Everybody kept saying like they want more help on what to eat, where to go, you know, healthy foods and stuff like that. So I'm going to start posting more of that content for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what else you would like to see. Do you want to see exercises, whatever, you know what I'm saying, like anything else that you want to see. I'm not an expert, but I'm definitely going to do my due diligence research, and I'm also going to be implementing those types of things in my own life so that I can give you like real world experience as to how that works for me, and then perhaps when you try it, it will work for you too. So go ahead, leave me a like on this video, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to your girl, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.